Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to indent bullet in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. There, choose the workspace in which you want to indent bullet and select the channel or chat box in which you want to indent bullet. There you can see in the message box bullet list. Click on it or just press Ctrl Shift and 8 from your keyboard. Then your bullet will be indented. To get next bullet, don't press enter, just press Shift plus enter, then it will create another bullet. This is how you can indent bullet in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.